Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Devon's Chess, and today I've come back with another interesting chess endgame puzzle, and it is white to move and mate black in two moves. So white has to move on it twice and mate black. And as you can see, this black king has moved a very long journey. Reminds me of back in school when we studied about the great trek that happened in South Africa. So yeah, it has moved a very long journey, and yet the white king hasn't moved at all. And then this white rook on g1 has also moved a very long journey. And then this rook on h1 also hasn't moved at all. It's a very odd position and a very tricky position if you don't know what to do. So I want you guys to first try to solve it by yourselves as usual before we solve it together. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to find those two moves, and then come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the two moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section what you found. Do not forget to like the video and also subscribe. Let's make 100 subscribers and let's try to solve the puzzle. Okay, so if you thought about moving your king to e2, the idea is trying to check the black king, leaving him in a discovered check. Black is just also going to go to the second rank, and there's no way you're going to mate black because when you try to check, black still has an escape route and there's no mate. So that's not the move we are looking for, and it's the same thing even if you try to play f2, black still has escape routes wherever he wants to go. Okay, so that's not the move we are going to look for. Let's try moving the rook. We could move our rook to h2. The idea is that from h2 we are blocking the king from going to the second rank, and then we could try to find a way of getting a discovered check and mate him. But the problem is after that, black only has one move, which is b1, and from b1 you can't get to mate black, because now if you try to leave black in a discovered check, you block black from the check that would have happened from this rook. So black can also go to the second rank, b2, and there's no mate, right? So that's also not going to work out for us. Same thing if you try to go to h8, black has everywhere he could go. You can't mate him. You can't use that route because black can always go. What about if you played g2? The same thing, black has only one move, and when you try to leave him in a discovered check, black still has an escape route. So how are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? Now, you remember when I said that this white king has not moved, and also this rook has not moved. Now I know you already found the mating one. Please get it, because when you use that concept, you realize that castling is still possible, right? So after that, black has only one move, which is going to b1, and then when you castle, that's a mate, a very sexy way of mating. So that's the way you could actually mate black in two moves. Let us know if you found it. Do not forget to like the video and also subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Let's hit 100 subscribers before the end of this week. Until next video, have a good day.